So this is just great. You let the spies took the secret battle plans from the Death Lazer Cannon II. I am very disappointed in you all, except for Walter. Because he's the only one I can tolerate.
Thank you.
Yeah, but his plans didn't succeeded. Yeah, I heard that, you know.
Great, you made the captain yell. Arg, you think?
But Captain, what about the plans? Don't worry about the plans. I got a brilliant plan. Dr. Fed Rambos II is in charge from now on. He can work with me as well. Dr. Fed II?
Yes, Captain D? It's good to see you.
Now, you're in charge, and now, if we fail, just fake a plan and tell my crew what to do, and I'll be with them. And yes, sir. Captain. Don't worry, there's no need to make mistakes. Yes, Captain. Okay, you heard me. And I'll go with you. Yes, you can. Okay, now the plan is kidnap the babies from the Blues family. Yes, sir. Okay, now, come along! Come on, you heard them. Come on, yeah, come on, let's go! Yes, Dr. Fed. And Captain. Ha 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 ha! Whoa, what is that? That was the new hologram. The secret battle plans is the Death Lazer Cannon II. It was a powerful weapon to destroy some different worlds.
Wow, they're gonna destroy us?
Oh dear, we're doomed. We're all doomed. Guys, calm down. Well, we could do this, but we could stop the villains in no time. Yeah, she's right. Well, we could give some villains and give them the peace of my mind. Okay, that's enough of that. Master Prime, how we gonna get the villains here today?
Buddy.
Really? Trust me, buddy. Buddy. Yep, buddy. I'm your buddy now. No, just no reason. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, Shay. So what's the plan?
Okay, so we're gonna have to do it.
Hey guys,
how you doing? Don't worry, Acer. You can. And So, Nick and Judy, what is this? Oh, Dad, that's an egg. Yep, that's our kids. Whoa. Yeah, and these two were born, so they won't have to come out until their eyes are open. Whoa, I didn't know you got kids in here. Yeah, and then yeah, too soon. Yeah. Okay, so that sounds swell, Master Prime. Very swell. Why, thank you, Evlard. You're so smart, like Sinbad was.
Hey!
And yeah, it's not like. Well, it's this time, and
Hey, Josh, where are you going?
Sonny, Josh, where are you going?
Josh, where are you going? Wait!
Where is it? Yes, I got it.
Yeah. There's been captured!
Yes, I got it. There's been. Come on. No!
Josh! What are you doing, John?
What's this all about, Master? You have a good explanation. Yes, I did. Then, Master Josh, why can we hear with that excuse?
Shay, what do we have to say for yourself?
It was horrible! With the Blues was minding their own business and then roll off and they screamed! I tried to stop them and I could hear Torches cry and then what? and then he grabbed them with her claws. Oh my goodness! Squeeze it like this and nuts. Horrible. Sad story. Brought back better than ever and slapped them. He poked his eyes out like this. It was horrible. That's the worst thing of my life. What a humanity. And then there was a day of horror. Whoa, Josh. You were trying to say is that the blues are taken by the my babies. No, oh, come on, that's not right. These kids were born and they could come out in a few weeks. But Luigi, it's not that easy. But these things takes time. Oh, thank you, Shay. Don't worry, we could get your babies back, and then it won't anything happen again. Brian's right. As long as he's safe and no one can happen to him again. Yes, we should. Yeah, it has an important mission, and we cannot give it up. Our friend, the blues. Brian's right. Let's go on a mission. Yeah, I'm with you. Oh, wait for me. We're with you. Let's go! Welcome everyone to the talk show, Race Talk with Jeff. That's me, Jeff, from the Total Drama Competitor. And so I'm here to talk to 13-year-old Denzel Jr. Spencer, would you like to well, thank you. Now the racing days are coming to big changes from now on the next race generation. So the winner goes by Mostachio. What? Mostachio? He won. Yes. What's next? Look at the clips about the other races last. By Mostachio. I think greatest racer of all time. Are you kidding me? In the meantime, he was trying to get this race record, but it was no use. But it doesn't seem right. Come on. Yeah, but that's even bad then. Since a few races ago, right? Oh, I agree. This might be a bad idea, but then didn't win so. Well, they tried. Is that on the final lap? But it wasn't this last. Maybe not. And the winner is Mostachio. Mostachio. He goes second, and Agnes goes third. The races are coming to the big update. And there comes the champion, Mostachio. So Mostachio. Would you like to say something? Mostachio. Hey, where are you going? I quit. I'm no longer in the race anymore. Wait, you're quitting? Oh no. I can tell you why. Why? That they're decided when they're done. Done? That's saying, since they're no longer racers anymore, and now they're having a big update. An update? Sure. Hey, what are you Bomby Explorers? Well, we're live. Haven't you heard that Spongebob SquarePants retired? What? What? I don't understand. You're going to be retired? What? Why, you're gonna quit? And I decided when I'm done, I'm no good runner. Hey, before you go, we've been good friends like us. Yeah, you're the only one who can help us. Thank you, but don't worry, I'm not going to the retirement home. I'll be on the audience. Oh, why, thank you. Yeah, goodbye. I'll see you in the last race of this season. On season 2. Goodbye, SpongeBob. Wow, he's gone, is he? He'll be back, he'll be with the audience. Oh, that makes sense. Dude, he got retired? Oh well, I hope he's with us. Yeah, I guess so. Come on, Rigby, let's go home. After since SpongeBob SquarePants retires, any other racers are fired or quit to make room for these other racers. And so that's how they begins. All the racing tournaments. Other guys decided to keep racing. But now, since Woody the Woodpecker is our last chance, only hope to finish the race immediately. Hello, racing fans, and welcome to the final race of Season 2 of Woody Woodpecker Racing. A moment. Hey, Lucius, why are we here? Don't worry, Sammy. We will sabotage the race and with Woody, and then he'll be retired. Oh, that's a good plan. A moment. And so, you can't do this. I was with you guys in the second season, in the first one, in the first place. Gumball? Sorry, Gumball. My mind's made up. I'm giving your card to someone new. What? You can't fire me. I just got 2 wins in second season. Sorry, no can do. Hey, Agnes, can you explain what's happening to Bomby? Can you two explain what's happening to Gumball? Oh, he got fired. And he got replaced by someone else. Yeah, but we'll just start the race right now and get this over with. Okay. And also, I heard that's your last race, your chance. My last chance? Yeah. Okay. If you win, you keep the race. If you lose or crash, you are retired. Okay, here it goes. Nothing. Okay, racer fans, let's get this final race of the season for Season 2 begin! Ready, get set, go! There goes Mostachio and Woody. And there goes Kevin, Stuart, and Bob. And there goes Mordecai, Rigby, Chili Willing, Steven Universe. There goes Agnes and the Bomby Explorers. There goes all the race. And Kevin got the lead, and Woody's got the lead. Go, buddy! Woohoo! Really? Suck the blue, Lucius. Are you sure it's going to work? Yes, we have to stop Woody and crush him. He's out of control, and then he will be retired, and then Mostachio will be the champion as well. Yeah. Until the final lap. Okay, that makes sense. Here comes in the final lap, Woody the Woodpecker. Oh, my Beth. Hurry up. Beth. Go, 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 go. Oh, no chance. Go, 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 go. And look, that's the drill again. How did he get here? How did he get there? I don't know. Mostachio. You know, means, hey Woody, you alright? Don't worry, you got a good run. Oh, Mostachio takes back the lead. Woody is fine. Woody is fine. That's the drill. Hey Woody, don't you worry. You got a good run, huh? Enjoy your retirement. Oh, he's going down. No. 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 Ay. What the heck? Whoa.
Oh my goodness!
This is my warning. It's Agnes for the wins!
Yes, I won it!
Oh no.